Here I have TCL 10 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the security section, and here you have fingerprint. Tap on it here. Next you have to choose your backup screen lock method. It could be pattern, PIN or password. Let's select PIN. Next you have to enter your PIN, confirm it. Next you have to select if you want to see notifications on the lock screen. I don't want to see them. Then you tap add fingerprint. Here you have this fingerprint sensor. You just have to tap it here like this with your finger several times for it to remember your fingerprint. Next, edge input. Tap it some more. And that's it, fingerprint added. And now you can, for example, unlock your phone with your fingerprint. Wow. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.